welcome back to the Gloss Garage, where we make detailing simple. My name is Sak, and today I have something special for you guys. So this video is more of what I got during Black Friday. So this is one of the packages that came through, which I ordered from DIY Detail, and the other one will be coming in of what I ordered from Auto Fiber and so on, and from what I got from the Rad company. But yeah, so if you guys don't know, Black Friday just happened, and this is something that a lot of us detailers and a lot of people get stuff for great economical deals, and this way you guys can prepare yourself for spring. So I did do a big haul at the DIY Detail, and I will show you guys right here what I got. So I spent $218. So I bought a lot of things at DIY Detail for Black Friday. Also, just to show you guys something as well, thank you Ivan and Nick for sending me out their rinseless wash sponge. So this is not the one that you guys will be getting. This is the one that they said didn't pass quality control. If you guys saw their video previously saying that unfortunately it's a bit delayed and Lake Country will be making a new batch instead, which I understand. If you guys can see here, some of the slits are just not, you know, right, and same thing with the seam. So I completely understand. They did send this out before they even checked it, but they said there's nothing wrong with the sponge. It works just fine. It's just the slits and things are not up to par, but the foam density of all sides and everything it cleans is perfectly safe for the paint. So I will be doing a rinseless wash demo soon with this, probably within this week, and I will show you guys how this works. And also, again, in the video, I am a rinseless wash guy. I do have the big gold sponge and the ultra black sponge from the Rad company. So that's about it, and let's move on to everything that I got from DIY Detail from left to right, and let's get to it. Got a bunch of stuff, but these are the main ones that I got. So besides the interior clean and protect, which you guys saw me, but this one I got it in a gallon because my wife loves the DIY Detail clean and protect. She's in love with this. I'm in love with it. It just cleans and protects in one shot, and it leaves that nice satin finish. But for everything else that's new, I reviewed like these 5 or 6 products. Everything else here is incredible Suds, all clean, and then interior clean and protect, that's right there. But let's go ahead and let's start off with the first one that's here on my left. So it is the DIY Detail ceramic coating, and which is cool and awesome about this, and I didn't even know, to be honest, this DIY Detail ceramic coating comes in 2 fluid ounces, 60 mils. Comes in 60 mils. That's crazy. You can literally do about 3 vehicles with this. That's a lot of value, and I will be doing a review on this, and I'll put this back in later because there's a piece of paper and I can't see it. But yeah, so DIY Detail ceramic coating, 2 fluid ounces, can't go bad with that value. Next product on the list is the iron remover. I am not going to open or test and say, hey, this is what it smells like, it smells good. I'm not gonna do that with an iron remover. And yeah, so got the iron remover. I'm gonna try this out. The iron remover I do use is Optimum Ferrex at the moment. I have used McKee's 37 iron remover as well, and also Geon and Car Pro Iron X. But again, at the moment I'm using Optimum Ferrex, but I'm gonna give this a shot and see how it is. And yes, so when I do a full detail from beginning to end with the whole detailing product line, and when the person gets a ceramic coating, I'm just gonna use this product line to showcase everything from start to finish, from the iron remover to the paint prep, tree and sap remover, the whole 9 yards. So yes, and next thing on the list I have is the tree and sap remover. So this, I could open it up. I'm guessing it's gonna smell a bit of a solvent smell. So let me see what this smells like. So the tree and sap remover is exactly what it says, tree and sap remover. It's to remove any carnivorous like tree sap and stuff like that, like maple leaves if you're more up north. Actually doesn't smell like anything. Just smells like straight water. A little bit of a lingering scent, but it doesn't smell like anything caustic whatsoever. But tree and sap remover. Next up I got is the water spot remover, and if you guys want to remove any water spots, heavy water spots, this is not going to remove it. This is more of a mineral deposit remover, kind of like I have Optimum Ferric. So if you guys want to remove it without a water spot remover, a lot of people go to wet sanding, and that's something if you're uncomfortable with, I don't recommend it because you can burn through paint if you're inexperienced. But yeah, so this is the water spot remover. Let's give this a smell test. It doesn't smell bad. It kind of smells like passion fruit, something fruity. But yeah, I could smell this all day. But it has a little chemical smell to it, but again, it's a water spot remover. So yes. Next is their panel prep. So I will be using their panel prep in conjunction with obviously their ceramic coating. So let's give this a smell test. The McKee's 37 coating prep spray smells like a bit of bubblegum in a way. Cardboard eraser smells like alcohol, probably faint with a little bit of a different type of smell. So let's give this a shot and see what this smells like. Let me get a good whiff. This actually just smells like just rubbing alcohol. Might be 50-50 IPA, I'm not sure, but it's a surface cleaner. So yes, so panel prep spray, I will be using this and gonna give this a shot. Like I said, it just smells like rubbing alcohol. I'm not too sure. Obviously, I'm sure they put other surfactants in there because rubbing alcohol evaporates super fast on the paint and it doesn't clean any polishing oils whatsoever. So I'm excited to use this and give that a shot. And last but not least, from the chemical side, I've ordered their tire dressing. So I'm going to give this a shot. This is in spray form. You guys know that for my tire dressing, what my favorite tire dressing is at the moment is CarPro Pearl. Maybe can just dethrone it or whatnot. I'm not too sure, but this looks like it's already been diluted. I'm not too sure, but again, this is spray form. I'm going to give this a shot and see how this goes. So let me just open this up. It's pretty tight. Seal. It smells good. It has like a bit of a tropical. If you guys ever ate some tropical Skittles or open a bag of tropical Skittles, this is what it smells like. So the tire dressing, and then from here on out is Incredible Suds All Clean and Interior Clean and Protect. So let's just move this over to the side so you guys can see the rest. And yes, so what I got here is their drip catcher towels. I like how it's sealed, I like how it is, so let's just open it up. I haven't opened these up whatsoever, so let's give this a shot. And this is a drip catcher. It's actually super soft, the drip catcher. And where are the magnets? Oh, the magnets are here on this side. And yeah, so I'm excited to use this and give this a shot. So I got two, obviously one for each side view mirror, and we're just gonna go ahead and put this back. It's super soft, plush, feels like really good quality towels, and can't wait to try this out. Next is this, I don't know, I think it's an interior one. I forgot what it is. I gotta check the website, but I got a bunch of these. This isn't just the only one, but it's really thin. It has like these rigid to like help scrub. It does come with a tag, so what I do recommend is just at least peel off the tag, which peels off pretty easy. So just peel off the tag. And yeah, so this one has like a scrub side, and the other side is just a flat regular side. So yes, so I'm gonna give this a shot for the interior, maybe apply the interior ceramic or something. And yes, also you guys see everything. I am missing All Clean from the gallon. I did order another one because I am using All Clean like a mofo. So yes, last but not least is this bad boy right here. Is their dual-sided regular standard buffing towel, I think it's called. But this looks and feels more than 16 by 16. I'm not gonna lie. Look how big this is. It's nice. It's soft. It's really soft. It's very gentle, and it is dual-sided, kind of like the Rag Company's Creature. So one is just a regular standard, and this one is a fluffed up side, and it is laser cut. So this is good to remove any polishing, oils, compound, waxing, everything. I feel like this is more of like a jack of all trades kind of towel, or like I said, the Creature from the Rag Company, which this actually feels really soft. So I'm gonna give this a shot and see what it is, because the weaves, or the way it's woven, or however you say it, I don't know, it's soft, it's plush, it's not gonna scratch the paint, I know that for sure. But this is a bit on the expensive side, so one thing that we have to test out is the longevity. How many times can you wash this properly with using a proper microfiber detergent and all that stuff in order to get the best of your towels, right? And that's what's gonna come with the test of time. But other than that, that is everything that I ordered from DIY Detail. That's the whole thing. As you can see, I have everything just pretty much DIY Detail. And yeah, obviously I bought more incredible suds. Like I said, I am not a soap guy, but I am starting to like this a lot, and especially the smell. I think this is what got me, was more of the smell. But yes, so that's everything that I got. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review real quick, or just not really a review, but what I got. But I am excited to try this bad boy out. I'll probably do this, like I said, sometime this week. And I also do have a product review of something else that's coming out, so you guys don't want to miss that either. But yeah, thanks a lot again, Ivan and Nick, for sending me this out, and I can't wait to test this out and do a dedicated review on your wash sponges. So other than that, if you guys like this type of content, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you guys want 10% off on DIY Detail, you can use my code DMS at checkout at DIYdetail.com. I'll put the link down below so you guys can order all your stuff. And it's prime time for this one. I can't wait. I literally did not know it was going to be pretty much 16 milliliters. So this is insane value for how much it is. And yes, other than that, I'm out, guys. Peace.